Good day, viewers. Today we have two interesting questions for you on the board. Number one says, find the number of ways of selecting 8 subjects from 12 subjects for an examination. You have the options A to D. This question is on combination, right? Remember your permutation and combination. That is that. Number two, you have two coordinates, P and Q, and they are the ends of the diameter of a given circle. We have to calculate the radius of the circle. You have options A to D. Now the solutions. Now for number one, we're asked to find how many ways 8 subjects can be selected from 12 subjects. This is arrangement and selection question, right? Now, given n number of objects and a group of R objects, all right, the number of ways R object can be selected from n object without paying attention on order of arrangement can be given by what? This expression n combination R, right? And this we know it to be what? N factorial over n minus R factorial R factorial, right? N here in this case stands for what? 12 subjects, and R is the what? 8 subjects. So I'm going to have n combination, 12 combination 8 to be given as what? 12 factorial over 12 minus 8 factorial times what? 8 factorial. Okay, so we evaluate this. So this is going to be what? Since we have 8 factorial here, let's expand this up to 8 factorial. So 12 factorial means what? 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 and so on, but we'll stop at 8 factorial here. Okay, all over 12 minus 8 is what? 4 factorial, 8 factorial. So the 8 factorial can cancel out this 8 factorial. So what do you have left now? 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 all over what? 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 4 factorial can be expanded as this, right? So we cancel out 4 here, 1, 4 into 12, 3. This 3 can go out to this, then take out this 3, right? So we have what now? I can as well break 2 and 10. But since multiplication by 10 is very easy, I'll just multiply 2. 11 times 9 is what? 99. 99 times 10 is what? We're going to have 990 over 2. And this will give us what? 2 here, 1. 2 into 9, 4 remainder 1. Bring it till you have 19. 2 into 19 is what? 9 remainder 1. Take 1 to next digit, you have 10. 2 into 10, 5. And this gives us what? 4, 9, 5 ways. And in options, option B gives the correct answer to number 1. Now for number 2, we're told that a circle has a diameter. Let me draw a diagram. A circle, diameter is the center of the circle. So the diameter is given like this. The ends, we are told is here, P minus 6, 1, and you have Q 6, 6. And we're asked to find the radius. Recall that half of the length of the diameter is given by the word radius. It's given as what? Radius. Okay? Now, to go about this, we're going to find the length of this diameter. Once we get the length, divided by 2, that will give us our radius. Alright? So what is the length of this diameter? The length, PQ, can be given by what? Square root. Okay? If I name this point x1, y1, here x2, y2 as a coordinate, right? So our length PQ is going to be what? The square root of what? X2 minus x1, which is what? 6 minus 6. You have 6 minus what? Minus 6. Okay? Square plus, for the other one, y2 minus y1 is what? 6 minus 1 square. This is the length. This is how we express the length of PQ. Okay? So we evaluate this now. We're going to have what? Square root of what? 6 minus minus 6 is the same as saying 6 plus 6, which will give us what? 12 square. Plus 6 minus 1 is 5. You have 5 square. Let me clean this line. So this is going to give us what now? Square root of what? 12 square is what? 144 plus 5 square is what? 25. So what does this give us now? Our PQ is what? Square root of what now? This plus this, you have 9, 6. 1, 6, 9. This will give us what? 13. Alright? So the diameter is given to what? 13. So what is the radius? Therefore, radius will be equals to what? 13 over 2. This will be what now? That 2 into 13 is 6 remainder 1. You have point 6, 2 into 10, you have what? 5. You have 6.5 units. Alright? And in the options, A gives the correct answer to number 2. I hope you did enjoy the lesson. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel to support us if you are watching us via YouTube. Your subscription helps us to grow, and when we grow, we serve you better. Bye bye.